Hey there. We've had this question in K-Nation about how do you use a microphone or do you use a headset when you're singing and playing, and what's the best way to go about it. When you want to move to the music, you want to be able to look at your bandmates, and I thought I would just post this on YouTube so that way invite you into our conversation in K-Nation. Come and join us. But for those of you in K-Nation, here's my thoughts on it and how I use my gear when I'm singing and playing. Instead of using a headset, I like to use a microphone, because then when I'm giving instructions or I'm talking to people or I want things to be off mic, then I'm not worried about, a headset, because I can't disconnect myself from that. Playing wise, my bass has got that angled in pin, so the bass really comes back to me. But I like to use a microphone on a boom stand, and I've got a monitor that's up higher. I don't have I don't typically use a floor monitor, because if I'm using the bass mic, then there ends up being some kind of weird feedback loop. So I'll use my amplifier behind me on my left, or just acoustic on the bass, and then let the microphone feed into the house sound. I only do voice here in this monitor. Even with blonde bass, I just use this monitor. And then make sure the microphone is positioned in a way that I feel comfortable, that I can stand, so I'm not having to put my neck forward. Because if I'm standing here and then I do this, that's really pulling myself out of alignment. So I make sure that I'm in a place where I can sing, I can look at you, I can look over here, but I keep my face connected to the microphone. So the pivot happens around the microphone. If I'm in thumb position, sometimes I have to step back, but I'm not typically singing in that position. So if you are going to be doing thumb position things and also singing into a microphone at the same time, you may want to extend the boom some more so you can do that. But find what it is for you that makes that comfortable and play with it. Just as we work on our sound and we work on our playing and our singing and the coordination of that, you also want to be able to coordinate how you're working with your microphone. For me, this is easy because when I hear my voice coming out here, if I can't hear myself, I know I'm too far away. So it also encourages me to stay on the microphone so I don't have to oversing. I hope you find this helpful, and I would love to hear your thoughts about it.